and these are lavalier microphones by this company. I believe you pronounce it Arua. And if you open up the box, you're going to see that there's two of them in here. Let me just go ahead and pull them both out and set the box there. If you look at it, you can see the microphone area up here. There's an off and on switch here, and this is how you clip it to your lapel. Okay, on here you're going to see that means that it's connected. That's your treble, that's your battery, and that's your mute button. All right, to turn it on, what I do is I press it and I hold it, and then it comes on. And you can see it's not connected right now because it's blinking. The way I connect this to the iPhone, because this is for iPhones, by the way, is there's another little device here. And here is, I guess you would call it your FireWire. You know, it's kind of like this one right here. You see, they're basically the same thing. And then on the iPhone, if you look, on the very bottom of it is your port that you would put this into. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in there. I can get it in. There we go. Okay, now I'm in. You'll notice on the back that this red light indicates that this thing is now connected to, let's get rid of this. It's now connected to this one lavalier, because I've only got one of them on right now. All right, so there's your red light. It's telling you it's ready to go. Go open up this camera. I'm going to reverse the camera so it's facing me right now. I'm going to set it right here. Okay. All right. So anyway, now we've gotten a little bit closer. Here is the lavalier right here. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it. I'm going to put it on my shirt here, just like that. Okay. All right. So now I've got both cameras running, right? So now this camera right here is picking up the sound off this mic. So if I get out of my chair and I walk way back here, I'm going to whisper inside of this. So right now I'm whispering into the mic and my other camera cannot hear me. All right, so now let's just come back. I mean, I could put it right here like this and go. All right, now I'm whispering into the mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test. Bam, done. I don't really have a lapel on my tie-dye shirt. But anyway, that's how you do it, okay? So these things work really good. So there's two of them. So if you have two people talking to each other, basically you're going to pick up the audio from both of these people, and it's going to be clear and crisp. So these things really work well. To turn it off, I just press this and hold it. Watch. Now it's off. To charge them, it's very simple. Let me show you the charging. Let me turn this off. All right, they're pretty easy to charge. They don't give you a power block, but they do give you this dual USB-C to a USB, which you can plug into a power block. And on the side of these, all you would do is just plug it in like this, right? Oops, there you go. You can see the battery. I take this one here. And so both of these now, when you see it's amber, when you see that it's amber like that, it is charging, all right? Now I want you to look in the bottom though. This is an easier way to charge it, I think. If you look in the bottom, you're gonna see it's got these leads. Well, you can just take it. You don't really need to charge it this way. You could just pull it off, drop it. Well, let me show you first. If you look inside there, you'll see that there's contacts that correspond with these on the very bottom, right? They correspond with that. So when I slide this in and I put these in here, bam, they're going to charge. You can charge them in the case. Let me go ahead and stick this back in here for right now. So now it's in the case, although it's saying that they're already 100% charged, but I'm just going to show you. You close the case, and on the bottom, you've got a USB-C, and so you can charge them here. And what I do is I just charge them overnight. Right now it's at 100%. We don't really need to charge them. They're ready to go. But these are great because I think that it's a pretty good product. And I would highly recommend trying it out on your iPhone, especially if you're doing two people talking. That's the best, that way you can get both sides of the conversation. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.